she's feeding her babies.
I want to take their babies.
No,
Why?
can't take the babies from their mommy.
But if they're not babies, then they're chickens.
Yeah, she's a chicken and then she got little chicks.
But I really want chickens like those, and a big one like that one, mama one. And I will even pet them and pick that one up if it's mine.
If it was yours, yeah. Can't touch her though because we don't know if she's going to be upset.
Or talk to her husband.